Hi everyone, today I introduce one more macro. This macro is in description. You can check it out from there. There is a plugin session and macro session. You will see in a macro session how we can use this. First, we can see this how this is scrolling. After some times, automatically scroll it. Auto loop. We don't need any type of keyframe. I don't have any keyframe it here. I selected this infinite scroller, but here we can't see any keyframe. Here is a control and text. First, you can write your text like I write several times of text and automatically scroll it, and this is a font, what which font do you need, and this is a color, which color do you need, and this is size font, you can control it, then line spacing and align, which align to start and end. If you click here, then start from this. If you click center, then it will be start in front center, but we always need left. Okay, now you see here a control. XL means left side and XR means right side, and in second means after which second do you want to start again. And if I need uh, 50 seconds for ending, then you also want to change this in loop second like 50. Don't decrease more than in second. If your in second is 60, then loop second will also 60 or more than 60, 65. Yeah, this after you increase to 60, then after text looping is rolling out slowly. If you increase more than 60, 70, then loop is more slow. Okay, that's it man. Please subscribe for more video.